As agriculture enters a new era of higher efficiency, agricultural equipment must evolve with it. The V80 is equipped with a 70L spray tank, delivering a maximum flow rate of 40 liters per minute, a maximum spray width of 12 m, a flight speed of up to 18 meters per second, and an adjustable droplet size of 5,500 micrometers, achieving both effective coverage and greater operational efficiency. The V80 also features a 100L spreading tank with a maximum spreading rate of 250 kilograms per minute. 3 auger sizes, large, medium, small, are available for spreading solid granules ranging 0.5–10 millimeters in diameter. The newly upgraded binocular vision system boosts environmental perception and terrain recognition capabilities and enables superior adaptability to diverse operating environments. The new generation cylindrical battery connector improves heat dissipation by 68%. Compatibility with both 32Ah and 38Ah battery systems provides greater flexibility in battery configuration and keeps operations running smoothly. The V80 adopts the flat wire motor with over 50% power reserve, ensuring stable and confident performance, even under heavy loads. Faster response comes from more powerful core computing. The self-developed avionics system, powered by an octa-core processor, makes flight control and field operations more efficient. Longer service life comes from a more reliable structural design. The oscillating propeller mount effectively reduces vibration and structural load. The split motor and ESC design simplifies maintenance and provides greater reliability during extended, continuous operations. Live video feeds can be viewed directly on the remote controller. Day or night, the entire operating environment remains clearly visible and under control. Efficient, stable, reliable. The fully upgraded V80, ready to perform at its best.